Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can sort table data in Excel using any of the fields available. Sorting is one of the main reasons you create tables. It lets you easily organize information in the table records. By default, Excel can sort alphabetically or numerically in either ascending, meaning A to Z or 1 to 9, or descending, meaning Z to A or 9 to 1, order. It will sort from top to bottom by default, but it can also sort from left to right if necessary. You can sort a table by the values within a single column in a table, or by the values within multiple columns. When you sort data, you need to choose the fields by which to sort the data and the sort order to use. For example, if you applied a primary sort to a table's last name field, there might be multiple entries with the same last name. This is when applying a secondary sort by the first name field, for example, helps ensure that the records are sorted in alphabetical order by last name, then by first name. To sort a table by a single column, click into a cell within the column by which to sort the data. Then click either the Sort A to Z or Sort Z to A buttons in the Sort and Filter button group on the Data tab of the ribbon to sort the table in either ascending or descending order by the column's values. To perform a multi-column sort on a table, click into the table. Then click the Sort button in the Sort and Filter button group on the Data tab of the ribbon. In the Sort dialog box that appears, use the first Sort By or Then By drop-down to select the name of the column by which to sort the data. The field selected for the first Sort By drop-down is the primary sort. To the right of that, ensure the Sort On drop-down is set to Cell Values. Then select the desired sort order option for the sort, A to Z, Z to A, or Custom List. You can then add more sorting levels by clicking the Add Level button. Then repeat the process by using the next sorting row to create additional sorting levels as needed. After adding all the desired sorting levels into this dialog box, click the OK button to apply the sorting you set. If you make a mistake after sorting data, you can undo it by clicking the Undo button in the Quick Access toolbar immediately after performing the sort. To delete a sorting level from a table, click the Sort button in the Sort and Filter button group on the Data tab of the ribbon. Then select the sorting level to delete in the Sort dialog box that appears. Then click the Delete Level button in the Sort dialog box to delete the selected sorting level. Then click the OK button when you are finished.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.